Testing, testing. All right, I think the stream should be good to go. Um, cool. So it's been a little while since I've streamed. I was last working on a translation app. I am going to continue working on that, but I was getting a little tired of it, so I'm going to work on something else for a little bit, and then I'll switch back over. What I wanted to do was kind of just learn Python. I know a little bit of Python, but don't really know it that well. And Svelte, I don't know. I tried it a long time ago, but I don't really remember it, and I don't even think they had a kit or anything like they do now. So it was a little less polished. So I want to learn Svelte. I want to learn Python. So I figure a good project's a project is a good way to learn both of those. So um, I have done a little bit of Python recently when I was learning. I was doing some stuff with machine learning and some neural network, TensorFlow stuff, just some like basic tutorial stuff. And so I know a little bit of Python. I probably do a lot of things wrong, or not the right way, or suboptimal. But I think I'll get there eventually. My background is in Node. I still feel I'm not great with JavaScript or Node, but I'm okay. But really, yeah, I just want to learn Python and want to learn Svelte. So my idea was to make a real-time stock scanner. I guess you can call it a screener, either way. And there's a few options for getting market data. Really though, I think to get real-time market data, the only option is Alpaca for free. I think Polygon and some other sites have real-time data, but you have to pay a good amount of money for it. I could do that at some point if I found it was useful, but for now I'm just learning, so I want to find something free, and I think this will work. So I signed up for an account here on Alpaca. I have they tell you to go when you go to get started. If you want to start using the API, you could test it with the paper trading account. So I switched to that and got my API keys. I have them in a file. I also opened this Google Colab. I'm gonna work within Google Colab for now, just to test some stuff out. And then at some point I might switch over to just regular Python files and regular server or just on my computer. Another thing too is I'm kind of new to all this. I don't want to be installing a bunch of random stuff onto my own computer. So I found some libraries that will help or that I can use to do some TA on the stocks that stock information coming in, and then use that information to scan or screen out stocks. So, um, and well, I found a few libraries. I found one that's I think specifically for Python, but it doesn't have some of the built-in functions I'm looking for. So I found this one, TA Lib. I think it's pretty well known, and they have a bunch of functions built in. And I found a few that I wanted to use in here. So and try to get this going. And then I found a wrapper library for Python. And this is what I'm going to be using. So I guess the first thing I want to do is um, install or get this library going. I just want to see if I can use it because this will be pretty important to what I'm doing. My plan, by the way, is to I want to build like a potentially a trading bot in the future. So I want to do it all kind of on the back end, most of it, and then the back end will you can make requests to the back end from a front end app. That'll be the what I'm going to use Svelte for to the back end, and it'll be my idea is just basically a list of the stocks that meet your criteria that are popping up on the front end. But I'm mostly interested in the back end because, again, I might use that for a bot. So, if things go well, do back testing and stuff. So, let's first start with the instructions. To work with this, by the way, TA live Python. There's a documentation page. Where is that? I mean, other than in the GitHub README. Is this it? No, I don't know. Anyways, so all you need to do is install TA lib, and I tried that before and I got an error, and the reason is you need to include or pre-install the TA lib. So the way to do that, I believe Google Colab uses Linux, so I'm going to be using these instructions, and the first thing I need to do is download. So I have no idea if this is going to work, but let's try it. I think I could do a wget. How do I use that? Wget, and then options and URL. So I think I just need to do wget and then the URL. I wonder where it downloads it to. Let me see what's up here. So if I do an ls, what does this do? Sample data. Oh, okay, so wget, it should, hopefully the file will show up in here. And when you first open this up, by the way, if you make a new notebook through this menu, it's like if you go to your Google Drive, it like shows up in here as connected to Google Colab, and it has a nice feature. If you do that, you can upload your own notebook files, and maybe there's a better way to do it, like importing them. But if you just directly put them in Google Drive, they won't be that gold color and have the icon. And one problem with that is like you have to give permission to access Drive. You have to go through a menu. It's not a big deal, but I do want this notebook to access Google Drive. So if you just click that, oh, actually, no, that's fine. And that will mount Google Drive. And then you have access to files in Google Drive. Eventually, or pretty soon, I want to access an API key that I stored in here because I don't want it to be showing on the screen, even though I could reset it. It's not a big deal, but anyways, let's try wget and see what happens. So wget and the URL. And to run like terminal or Linux commands, you need to put a exclamation mark in front of them. I think there's another way to do it too, but I don't remember. You have to do some percent signs or something. What? Okay, I need the URL, so let's go to this, copy link address, copy it in here. I hope that works. Let's see what happens. Okay, there it is. Nice. All right, and then next step, I need to extract it or untar it, I guess. I'm gonna do these on separate lines, but you could just throw it in one line. Let's see, I think this will work, and then Control Enter to run, or Shift Enter will run and move to the next. All right, perfect. So extract this folder. That's great. Next, we're gonna cd into that directory and then run this configure script. Okay. Let's see if, where are we at? I might want to close this. I'm leaving this open for, actually I'll move to the side. I'm leaving it open because I might want to reference it later. Okay, let me make a new control MB, makes a new cell below. What was it again? Oh yeah, I got a CD into it. So CD, and if you like pay for this, you can access the terminal. You don't have to run commands like this, but that's okay. We'll deal with this for now. CD ta lib or lib. Okay, run that. I might want to run these together. I'll just copy and paste this. I have no clue if this is actually gonna work, but we're gonna find out. I'll just copy, yeah, copy them individually, whatever. Or I could just type them, I guess. Okay, alright, let's see what happens. I'm not confident this will work. Yeah, dang it. Okay. Configure no such file directory. So configure should be in here. It is. So I'd probably just have to do this instead. Hopefully this works. Dot slash. Do I need that? Okay, well, so far so good. Dang it, there's an error. TA abstract. What is the error? I was a little bit concerned this might happen. Wonder if it will just work anyways. Making all entering directory. No such file. Should there be that file? TA abstract. C. What? Where's it looking? TA common? I don't know. I'm not sure if this is gonna work. Let's Google that. See what we can get. You need to install the underlying TAC library. What? If you install the underlying with a custom prefix. Sudo make install. Oh man, this sucks. sometimes will produce errors like this or that. This typically. Uh, you know what? This might be it as well. Let me restart this. You can't delete non-empty directories, can you? That's annoying. So I have to rmrf ta run. It should delete it. And then I want to delete all these. I wonder what this does. rm-rf dot slash dot. I don't know. I'm worried about that. I mean, there's no real issue with that, but let's just delete them individually. I think I might move this to another folder. What is this? So, I know there's a better way to do this, but that's fine. Almost done. rm-rf source. That should be gone. And include. Okay. Let's put this in another directory. So, let's do this again, actually. Move. Let's create a folder. We'll call this TA. And then move, or can I just move this? Yeah, there we go. Okay, TA. Control MD to delete a cell on Windows. Tar. So that's done. I'm gonna move this up here. And what else? TA configure. Alright, so I want to go dot slash TA slash TA slash that. After I do this, tar dot slash ta slash. Okay, let's do that. That should extract the folder. Wait a second. What? It does it to here? Whatever. Alright. I'll move this back out. Okay. Perfect. Alright. That's cool. Get rid of that. I do want to install the other dependency. I think that was the issue last time. Where is that thing? I've had issues with this before, so I bet this is what the issue was. Not for sure, but... Oh, that's not good. So that wasn't the issue, maybe. Okay. Don't really need that, so I'll comment that out. Alright. I wonder, does make look for a make file in another directory? Let's just try this, see what it does. I don't know what exactly it's gonna do. It puts all the stuff out here, dang it. It's not what I wanted it to do at all. Still getting the same error. Make output dir. Make O equals build. Okay. And what about make install? Let me try that. O equals build test. Just wondering what it does. Doesn't seem to be doing what I'm hoping. I don't know. Well, that sucks. I didn't want to make this whole stream about how to get this going. I thought it'd be a little bit more smooth, but it's okay. Recursive error. This might mean the directory path to the underlying. This might mean the directory path to the underlying TA lib has spaces. Well, it doesn't. Right? No, it doesn't. I bet it's like, might be that 32-bit, 64-bit thing. So let's go back. Where was that? Here. And let's go to downloads. So which one is which? Is this algorithms? Back. Brought to you by this. Files. Huh. I don't think that's it, actually. Don't think that's the issue. I might just have to run this somewhere else. Download that. Let's just try this. TA live collab. Any you know what? I bet it's because we're not in the directory. Wow, okay. That actually makes sense now. So let's go back. Let's clean this crap up again. I don't think you can select multiple files at once. There's probably a command to delete many at once. I just don't want to accidentally delete stuff I'm not trying to delete, so let's not mess with that for now. This will only take a minute. So we want to go into TA. Yeah, okay, nice. Yeah, let's just delete some stuff really quick. rm-rf src, get rid of that. ta, get rid of that. Include. Wonder what would happen if you did drive. That's one of the things I'm worried about. It's don't know. Would it just delete everything in drive? I don't know. I don't think so, but I don't want to mess with it. Alright, so let's do this again. And then, cool, so we have TA lib. I bet now if we do what this guy's saying, it'll be fine. We just need that percent sign because I don't know, it's just how you do it. Alright. Percent. Is it like that? Yeah. Then configure, make, install. Configure, make, and I won't do this time. And install. Alright, let's try it again. No target. Hold on, let's try this. No such file or directory, really? What? Is it like this? Let's try that, I guess. Oh, I know. Still this TA thing. That's probably not it though. Configure. Let's try that. That's what it was. No such file. Why does it say that? I don't get that. I think it's working this time. There we go. Alright. Save that. Next step, assuming this works, will be to this. Don't I already have that? Well, this is running. I'll be right back. Oh man, I was just muted for a while. Hold on, I'll be right back. Okay. This is pretty cool. All right. To me, that's the first step. Get this library working, and it is. Abstract. This is really cool. This is really nice. Okay, got that working. Next step is to work with the API. I think for now I'll do it in the same notebook, but I mean eventually it'll all go in some Python files, but and it won't be in here, but just kind of testing stuff out. So let me think about this. So yeah, it's going to have Python on the back end. I could mix Node and Python, but I think I'm just going to go all Python. Not, I mean, to learn it for one, but just because I think it'd be better to just do it all in one language altogether. And so it's just going to be basically it's going to read the data from the API. It's going to figure out if it meets certain criteria. I mean, the stocks meet that criteria, whatever that is. And then it will put those in some sort of array or whatever and send them to anyone who's requesting it. So, next step would be I could look into like web APIs or and web servers for Python. I'll skip that for now. I think I'll probably just use Flask. I've used it a long time ago, and I think it's still popular. So I'll probably just use that or whatever. I'll figure something out. I could just use built-in stuff too, but I think I'd rather use a library on top of that. All right, let's go through this. Creating an alpaca. I already did that. I already got my API keys. I have the endpoint written down. Okay. Um, One thing I need to do is um, import. I wonder if they have this already installed. I doubt it, but that'd be pretty cool. I'm always wondering. Nah, it's not. Okay. Okay. So I'm gonna go to this SDKs. Alpaca Pie. Getting started. Pip install Alpaca Pie. Let's do that. Pip install Alpaca Pie. What is this? Just some of the stuff it already had. Okay. Cool. Seems to be working well. Let's comment that out for now and try this again. That's the old one. Okay. From Alpaca. Here, I'll just grab this for now. See what it does. Nice. Okay, that was all imported fine. Alright. Sweet. Let's bring this up here. Cool. Everything's good. Client. No keys required for crypto data. Oh, interesting. Okay. Let's try this then. Because this should work out the out of the box. And then we'll just do a bars here. Nice, that's pretty cool. All right. So I guess the next thing I want to do, since I don't want to just work with crypto, is um, just load in my API key. So I have a fake key that I will test with, and that is in test and fake. So let's navigate to that. Let's just put Google Drive path equals. I think you start with content, right? Hold on, let me do ls, or not ls, pwd. Yeah, content. Oh, really? That? There we go. Oh, that's weird. Why did that give me a problem earlier? Hold on, let me try something. Percent CD TA line. Huh. It's giving me that error message earlier. Maybe that was like a cache thing or something. Anyways, let's go backwards. Alright. So we're in content. Wait, is this print working directory? I don't know actually. Google Drive path. Let's just go with this for now. Oh, you know what it is? Dot, not dot slash, just slash, because we know the root. Actually, do we know the root? ls. Yeah, whatever. I think this is right. Slash content slash drive slash my drive slash. Yeah, that's good. And then when there, and then test. I think it's with. I don't remember with open. F as. I have no idea what I'm doing. F as. I don't know. Forgot how to do it. Python open files. Trying to do it from memory. You could do it this way, but Python with whatever. With open. Did I have it right? Maybe I did have it right. With open Google Drive path plus. I should probably make this drive path caps. It's basically not going to change. It's a constant. Let's do an f string. F string. Is this how you do it? Google Drive path. Path. Slash test slash fake dot JSON as f print f dot read. Let me see what that does. Nice. All right, perfect. And then it's a JSON file. Let's do import JSON, which comes with Python, and file key data equals JSON dot, is it load. What's load versus loads? JSON loads. Loads. Load is used to read the JSON document from a file. Oh, okay. JSON load. If.read, I guess. Print key data. JSON is not defined. String has no attribute read. What? Load, okay. I think I can just do this. Wait, what was the other thing? With open JSON? JSON.load. Oh, you just pass it the file, the file handle. Okay. Nice. Key data and API key. Cool. All right, so we will go API key equals none, client or secret key equals none. Technically these will change, but then they'll change back. And key data, so API key equals that, and what's the other one? Secret key equals key data sk, and then print API key print secret. Let's see how that works. ABC 1, 2, 3, 5. Perfect. All right. So now I could change this to K. Take out the print statements. And hopefully I didn't screw that up. But expecting comma delimiter. Oh my gosh. Okay. Before I do that, let's grab this endpoint. I copied this from earlier in the dashboard. Yeah, I screwed this up somehow. Give me 1 second. Download. Delete. Where is this gonna open up? Where is it gonna open up? Not there. What did I do wrong? I forgot a comma. There we go. And it said something about that. Alright, upload and delete. Alright, cool. So now we should be good to go. Should be getting the API key. No such file. Yep, gotta let it refresh. There it is. There we go. So these should be loaded in, and I don't have to do that anymore. No, don't want to comment those out. All right. I could always reset that if I need to, it's not a big deal. Let's test using the API key now. I have the endpoint saved, yep. Hold on. So let's comment comment this stuff out for now. Let's comment this stuff out for now. Let's just make a new cell right here. Let's run this so it clears that up. Yeah. Let's see, API key. What is up? How to request market data. So this is this old? Yeah, this is old. Where are we at here? Here we go. API keys. In order to use, you'll need to sign up or retrieve your keys. Okay. These you'll need to provide sandbox paper keys. Trading client, stock. Okay, so you just get a. I want a stock data stream. Let's see how that works. References. Market data reference. After I set this up, I'm gonna you know what? Let's do, instead of a stream, let's do something a little bit more simple. Let's do stock historical data client, which is already here. No. So I don't know. Wait, I think I could just do this. Right? Yeah. And then let's leave that as an example. Let's copy it and just modify it a little bit here. So, whoops. All right, and then copy this. It'll probably give me an error because I'm not authenticated. I just want to see what happens if you run it. Crypto bars request. Stock bars request. Stock. Request params client dot get stock. Wait, what was it for? Get crypto bars. Stock bars. Symbol is gonna be by day time frame start 7/1/2022. That's fine. And then not console print bars. Let me close this. All right, let's see what happens. Stock. Right. Let's rerun that. Must apply method of authentication. Okay, I expected to get that. So, what is that? What are the params? Where was that reference thing? Get stock bars. Here we go. So it looks like it's just underscore API key and secret key. Should be all I need. Can you see that by the way in here? Let's see. You can shift tab? Is it just tab? Control enter? Huh. How do you see notebook autocomplete? Enter. Simply hit tab. Just tab. No, what? Simply a tab. Shift tab. Did I not just try that? I don't know, it's not working. Whatever. What was working though is this. It does show above these somewhere. Did I not see the parameters? Where was that? I don't know. Anyways, I know what they are. They are API key and secret key. And I could just go API key equals API key and secret key equals secret key. Nice, 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 nice. So clearly that is working, because if I did, right, that would not work. Yeah. Cool. So I have the main pieces. I have the TA lib set up. I have Alpaca grabbing data. I have the notebook. I have the API key. Yeah, looks good. I can uncomment this actually. And nice. Next step would be to, do I have pandas in here by the way? I don't really need pandas, but at some point we'll probably want it. Yeah. So what is this giving us? Let's just try this. pd dot load, is it JSON? Ah, just need to install this. pd dot load. Why is this not working today? There we go. Is it just slow or what? I don't know. Load JSON. Am I doing this right? pd dot. Oh, it's read. Read JSON. And we want bars spy. And we're going to say data frame is that. And take a look. Data frame. What's up here? Invalid file. Read JSON's looking for a file. So I just probably need data frame then. Not read JSON. Data frame. Is that right? Invalid syntax. There we go. Nice. It's a bunch of tuples. What? I'm sure there's a good way to load that. How would you load that? Let me just try this without that. Just wondering what that'll do. It's just that. Bar spy. Let's get rid of this, by the way. And since I already have the bars, I don't need to keep doing this for now. actually go to another one down here. And bring that stuff back in. Except the print part. Alright. Cool. Think I could like use zip for this. I don't know exactly how. I used it a very long time ago, but I know it's something I can use to easily translate this to what I want. But anyways, I think I'll stop there for the night. Got a good start. Got all the stuff I needed. I could get Svelte set up. I think I'll do that. Last thing I'll do is set up Svelte. I've never, well, I haven't used it for a long time, and I have not used SvelteKit, so let's try that. SvelteKit, powered by Svelte. I just want to install it and then call it a night. Mess around with it. Oh, it's down here. npm create svelte. Really? npm create? That's a thing? Is that new or what is npm create command? Oh. Okay, so it's like in it. Alright. Let's try that really quick. So I can do folder. This is going to be called stock scanner. It will be the front end part. Let's open up a command line to this and run those commands. npm create. Let's try that again. There we go. This is beta software, yeah, whatever. cd npm install, and then that. Oh. Demo app, skeleton project. Let's do this. I'm gonna go, I mean, I'm learning new stuff. I probably should learn TypeScript. I'm gonna go with JavaScript for now and not go too nuts. Yes. Sure. I don't know what that is, so no. Probably like Puppeteer, I guess. cd space my app npm install. And then run this command and just see what happens. Engine, unsupported engine. Okay. Let's upgrade our node. Node.js. Uninstall. Node. Just uninstalling the old version. I only keep one installed at a time. I don't deal with any sort of version manager or anything. I think we're good. Okay. And install the new one. Next. 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 Sure. I'm not sure this is gonna work right. So it's not like the main account on my computer, but we'll see what happens. Let's try it again. I'll just start from scratch. I'll call it stock scanner. Call this apps. So instead of my app, I will do the other thing. And the demo I'll call my app. So I want to do both. Let's see, Svelte. Okay. CMD. Node-v. Alright, we have the newest version. It's good. Let's call this stock scanner. What? Global, local, deprecated. Yeah. Svelte kit. Yes. 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 No. Ah, did I say yes to that? Whatever. If I did, I did. And then cd space stock screener or scanner, PMI, and then that command. Let's try that again. Wait, am I in the right place? Yes. Cool. Welcome to Svelte. All right. Close this, close that. Leave that open for now. Leave that open. Leave that open. This is the wrong stuff anyways. And I probably don't need this open anymore. Alright, let me close this. This is cool, I think. I think this might be able to connect like on a LAN. I've always wanted an easy way to do that. Actually, there is an easy way to do that in like Create React app. I've had firewall issues before. Let's see. I want to repeat the process, and I want to look at the demo app. So I will call this one my app. Demo. Sure. Yeah, no. And then one more, I'll do my app TS. Take a look at the TypeScript demo app. Yes, yes, no. Alright, cool. CD space, my app, NPMI. Just do the NPMIs and all these. And then CD space, my app, TS, NPMI. And let's see what the non-TypeScript, just use that one for now. Let's see what the demo app looks like. Cool. Has a simple counter. To-dos. There's a to-dos app. Toast. Tap. I don't get that. You had one to do? Test two? Oh, it's so slow. What the fuck? I don't know what's going on. Why that's so slow? Anyways, this seems a little bit slow, but I think it's just the animation or whatever. But this is actually, there's something wrong with this. Whatever, I'll figure that out later. This is supposed to be fast, so I don't know why it's going slow. Alright, anybody watching, thank you, and I'll continue with this or the translation app next time. See ya.